Well, in an effort to save some money, I wanted to create a DIY solution to cover my license plate, and let's go ahead and get that project started.
Kicking things off, I used the screws of the license to figure out where to put marks on there, and I'm currently using a 7/8 hole saw here. I think actually a 5/8 or a 3/4 would turn out perhaps even a little bit better, but this worked for my first attempt. Clearly, after drilling the holes, go ahead and use a file to take off a little bit of the edges and the rough parts, and then naturally black Sharpie to help things look better from a distance here. So I think it turned out pretty well overall. Next step, how are we going to adhere this? So I have black Velcro 3M command strips. Go ahead and put that on the back of the plate there, and, press it down. The next key is using them on the license plate frame, and I'm using black here, whereas on a black license plate that might still work, or in a different application or different color plate, perhaps a white 3M strip would be the best. Let's go ahead and get them attached.